The Trim Condition CG interactive calculator determines various aircraft stability parameters, including center of gravity position for trim conditions. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include Calculate Trim CG Position, Calculate Horizontal Tail Load, Calculate Pitching Moment Coefficient Slope, Calculate Neutral Point Location, Calculate Static Margin, and Calculate Required Elevator Deflection. For this demonstration, we're using Calculate Trim CG Position. Next, enter your input values. We need Pitching Moment Coefficient CM0, Wing Lift Coefficient CL, Aerodynamic Center XAC in meters, Wing Mean Aerodynamic Chord C in meters, Aircraft Weight W in newtons, CG Position XCG in meters, another Aerodynamic Center XAC in meters, and Tail Moment Arm LT in meters. For our example, I've entered 10 for all input fields. After clicking Calculate, the results show primary result equals 11,000 meters, secondary value equals 10 to 100% Mach, and CG location is 11,000 meters from reference. The calculator confirms the pitching moment at CG equals 0.0000, indicating perfect trim condition, and notes the CG position within typical range. This tool helps engineers quickly verify aircraft trim conditions during design iterations. Find the link in the description below.